picture? Yes, but it's a girl.
Yeah. It's not a dad. It's not a boy. It's just
A person?
girl.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a person actually.
Okay, your turn now.
I spy clouds.
Clouds?
Yeah.
Where? Let me see.
Next.
There?
Here.
No? This first?
Here.
First picture? Good.
It's clouds. Looks like water.
No, it's not water. It's clouds, right?
Next to the dark cloud.
Okay, I spy blue umbrella.
I don't know. Oh yeah. Yeah, I know.
Do you?
Yeah, I do. It's something in this.
Maybe outside, Ciro. Maybe outside.
What?
A blue umbrella.
Yes. Right.
What? What is doing? What he's doing? Oh. Que você tá fazendo?
What?
Stop recording.
You can't be low on us.
You can what?
You can't. You have to be far away.
Why?
Take a picture.
No, I'm recording. Then I have to get closer. Say cheese. Make a silly face. Make a flirting face.
Você ensinou isso.
I can't make a flurry face.
Which face can you? A sad face. Oh, that's a sad face. Can you blink? One eye? No, one. Just one. You're not helping with the finger, crazy. Okay, try it. No, take your hand. Wait. Come on, too. No, take your hands off. With no hands. That's a flirting face. I'm gonna teach you. No. Look. Like that. Now using your fingers. Look. Like that.
There are a lot of hair.
Yeah.
Wait.
Okay, like that. Yeah, try to blink with one eye. And you go to your girlfriend and you do that.
You don't need to.
Yeah. Or you can bite your tongue if you want.
I need to.
Yeah, and then you blink with one eye. What? Just one.
Wait, how this?
Then you can make the noise if you want.
It's too hard. A lot of things.
Can you do this? Blink with two eyes and bite your tongue here.
Or what's the name of that face? I can.
A menina vai fugir quando o Ciro fizer isso.
See, can you do that?
Can you do that? Look. Oh, look.
Look.
Okay, yeah. Okay.